All right, we're gonna do this really quick here. Those are not the planes I'm getting on. It's over here, but I'm just starting this now because this is gonna be a long travel day. A lot of things have happened, and I'll update you guys when we get there.
If I whisper my ear.
Okay, so surprise. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the waves, but I am no longer in the Midwest. I am on one of these guys. And yeah, if the title doesn't say it, I'm on a Hawaiian island, and there's actually a boat, a big catamaran cat going by right now, and I'm about to go get some grocery shopping done. And where I'm staying, there's a break, a reef break right out here, and I'm gonna try to film getting out on that with some fun stuff. This is all new to me, never been here. Who would have thought a poor Midwest kid never make it to the island? But I did, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. So hopefully you guys get a little bit more. I'm gonna do a little bit of vlogging. I'm gonna see what I can find and take you guys along. You guys have probably seen some ocean stuff already, but if you haven't, we got an ocean behind us to deal with, and I got an island to explore. So if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe. This is my secondary channel because I started this one and my outdoors channel at the same time, and I just didn't know which one to put it on, so I'm gonna put this on my vlog channel. There'll probably be a heads up video going on my outdoors channel just so everybody knows what's going on. And yeah, hopefully we can get to the point where I'm doing this more often, because this is freaking awesome. This is really cool. And thank you guys, anybody who's watched my outdoors channel. You guys are the reason that I'm able to do this. And then my wonderful woman, Jen. You guys haven't met Jen yet. She's in some of the other videos. And yeah, I'm sure you'll see her eventually in this video. But we're gonna start doing some vlogging and tripping, and this channel is just all about adventure. So like those guys are doing right there, get out and explore some more. So all right, I don't know where we're going to be next, but this vlog is going to be all over the place, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. This is just too cool. Not sure if you can see that, but there's a sea turtle. Look at him. I want to go swimming. We got sea turtles. There's two of them underwater. Is that just one? I think it's just the one. coming up. But I can see them on the camera just fine. Oh, don't hit the rocks. Yeah, see, when they're that big, aren't they like 200 years old or something? Okay, a little update here. Like I said before, this is kind of like the first real vlog I've ever actually done. And yeah, I'm just kind of going by the seat of my pants right now. This is day 3. Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, day 3. No, 4. This is like day 4. Time is flying by. But the big thing here is I'm going to just kind of go out today. We have a Jeep rental, if you guys can see, yesterday. So you guys should have seen some of those clips. I'll have them in there. But we went and played in the surf all morning, and I was dumb and forgot to put sunscreen on. And because I didn't put sunscreen on, me and the woman are both very, very burnt today. As you guys can see, I'm wearing my sun shirt. And yeah, I'm just going to kind of go drive around. There's some Jeep trails that I've been wanting to look at. So I want to do those this morning. And then we might get some food. But yeah, we're going to do probably 2-3 hours of just kind of driving around, exploring some trails, maybe go look at some overlooks and stuff like that, get some scenic views, just kind of get a feel for the island. This is Maui. I don't know if I said that. I can't remember if I said that earlier today. Oh, and then hopefully you guys seen it yesterday. We had a bunch of sea turtles swim by, and I didn't bring a camera with me in the water, but we went swimming out here, and I actually had like a 200-300 pounder come swimming up to me and check me out yesterday. It was kind of cool. I got to say hi to Crush. Those of you guys know. So cool things, and hopefully we get to explore a little bit more of this island. Like I said, this is just, I'm just trying to get a really cool overview of it. And yeah, I mean, you guys can see this is my morning. So that island as of late has been getting dumped on with rain. And then there's another one right over here that was getting dumped on the first day we were here. And now it's just been crystal clear for the last couple days. So these islands all have like microclimates and they do their own thing. But once again, a little Midwest boy on the middle of the Pacific Ocean. All right, let's see if I can figure out this whole like talking, vlogging. I've done vlogs before, but this has been a while and I've never done one where it's an actual adventure like this. So wish me luck. Okay, we're gonna see if this works. But so we're going around the north end of the island, and there's a few things I wanted to check out over here. So just gonna cruise around here and see what we find. Apparently all the speed limits around the outskirts are a lot slower, but understandable. We've never been over this way, so. Somebody definitely went off the hill there, like the cliff, like lost control.
Wild chickens.
Everywhere. That's the beach that I was talking about. That's Slaughterhouse, I think. Because this is all parking here. I don't know if I should just park over here and walk around or what. Old bridge. We're here. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of Hawaii here. That's a new one on me.
Enter at own risk. Beware falling branches and coconuts. I don't know if you guys can see this through the jungle here, but that is one massive tree. I think it's a banyan tree. And then there's this up here, which is insane. This might be a better look for everybody. This thing is massive. Here, let me zoom out. This is so cool. Always got to go for a hike in a new place. You'll see some amazing things. Apparently that's an old bridge. And then here's a crazy tree. I don't know what is hanging off of it, but that is just a wild, wild tropical thing. So cool. Massive, massive tropical trees. Look how little Hootie is. So big. I feel like I'm in a different world. This is probably one of the cooler places I've ever gone hiking. If you ever come out to Hawaii, find this place. Okay, made it back to the Jeep. Man, I am fried. We are gonna go see if we can go find a Jeep trail now. Hopefully you guys can hear me good. I'm trying out this new mic, see how it works. Thumbs up if it sounds good. I don't know how the audio is gonna come across, and yeah, I gotta sync everything now. But yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of driving and see what we can get into. Native trees. Imagine losing your brakes here. This is like a private beach down here, I think. The transmission on this thing is so strong, it's stronger than the brakes. Like when I hit the brakes, it releases, so then the brakes go faster. Like scream if you see anything over the horizon. Okay, so took the Jeep, pulled it off-road, and walking across some volcanic stuff way up here. And you guys got to see this view. Say hi, Hootie. They haven't seen you really yet. She's absolutely burnt to a crisp like I am, so she's not loud and cheerful, that's why. But this is wild. I gotta turn this around. Bit of a drop there. Like 400 or 500 feet up. Gotta walk up here. This looks too cool. Oh, there's trails down there. There's some crazy looking trails. Might have to come out here early in the morning with hiking boots on and really get the experience of the trails, but for now, I'm chilling in flip-flops. So is Jen. So we're not going down there right now, but still an amazing place. It's just so cool. Like, you could go camping down here. That's the coolest thing. Is like we could bring this here, bring tents and stuff, and then you just go down and camp. And that's still like 200 feet off the water right there. That shelf that's right here, that's still 200 feet down probably. But there's probably some cliff diving and stuff you could do around here, which is cool. In case you were wondering why you see all those vehicles driving around town that are 4 feet in the air. Maybe try to get over to that spot. Those guys drove over there. And we drove down all that you guys should have seen. This is a really cool little bay here though. I think I inspired somebody. They're crawling down that trail that I came down. Jeeps do it different. Hey Jeep, if you want to send me one. I got a long ways to go before that, but yeah, that's an interesting crawl to get down here. A little technical, but they get it done. Tell me about, did you hear him? So he checked Onyx, because Onyx is all the trails listed for like United States or whatever. Mm-hmm. And like you got public and private, and it'll tell you. Why did you? Look at that hole. Yeah. Somebody came through here with a car. Open the door and look down. Can you see the rock? Yeah. See this white? Mm-hmm. Somebody came through here with like a low riding car and just was like. Oh, we got that biker dude came down here. Or chick. Must be on a. Oh. Is that a gravel bike? That's wild.
Oh, guy. Very good.
see the cooler sitting over there? Well, this is where I wanted to go. I knew
This is pretty.
when I saw this on Google Maps, I was like,
This you could then turn around back into and.
I can get around.
Okay.
I just gotta, like, these rocks down here are sharp, so I just gotta not slam them. Okay, so you guys saw it. Brought the hootie, brought the Jeep. This valley started somewhere up there, and then we came down here because it's this. This is so cool. You gotta get out and explore, people. This world's awesome. Man, it's just like, this valley's amazing. It's so tropical. Those are some big waves, Jen. All right, let's go get a little closer here. Not too close though. Well, it's official. This is one of the cooler drives. Thanks to that thing. I mean, there's nothing like exploring valleys on an island. Right, Jen? I said there's nothing like exploring valleys on an island.
Nothing like it.
I think it's pretty special. And that's some rough surf out there. All right, time to go get some food. Okay, I don't know what date it is on the thing, but wow, man, this thing makes me look fried. But we are going to this hidden beach, and yeah, we're gonna do some snorkeling. So the next thing you guys will probably see is me in the water. So hopefully the audio is good and I got something good for you guys. But I'm excited. All right, so day 2 of trying to find a place to go snorkeling. You guys seen the last one. We went down to that beach. We tried getting out. Currents were way too strong. And then second, huge sets of waves ended up coming in. And I was like body surfing and stuff. Jen got pummeled. And yeah, we ended up just basically hanging out, playing in the surf. I didn't take anything out there to film because, yeah, the surf was like 8 to 10 feet. It was big. But this is supposed to be a protected bay that we're going into. As you guys might be able to hear, there's chickens everywhere out here. So if you find the chickens, you find the bay. But yeah, hopefully there's a lot of people down here already, but we're gonna see if we can get in and get in the water around them without having to worry about our stuff sitting on shore and stuff. But yeah, keep your fingers crossed. The next thing you guys see is some actual snorkeling. We walked all the way down the beach here, and I was looking over here. I didn't even notice these guys. They're just resting. There's one. See if it'll focus. 2, 3. The giant dude. I think they're sleeping. I didn't realize they were here. I don't want to bug them. They blend right in with the rocks. It's so weird. All right. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go probably back up there. Like I said, I don't want to be sitting by these guys. Okay. I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but I got to walk down through this wide field. Jed's already out there and I've already seen fish. Hopefully this works. Okay, hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't have my mic with me for obvious reasons. I'm sitting on a rocky beach on an island. And yeah, that was probably one of the coolest things I've ever did. Hopefully this conveyed some good stuff and we got some really interesting footage. I chased around a few of those snappers and whatever those giant schools of fish. They look like goldfish almost. I mean, there was everything down there. I think I seen every fish that swims out here, down there, of different size. The coolest thing I think was there's like this needlefish that was swimming around the shallows. I don't know if you guys could see that because the water's a little dirtier, but they look like pencils swimming through the water. But either way, very happy I made it out here with the hootie on the mountains and the coves and the bays and the yeah, this is a cool one. We gotta try to plan stuff closer together than 2 years. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, remember to subscribe. If you didn't, either way, hit the like button. I don't know how you couldn't like an adventure like this. Get out and explore, people.